What's good, fam? Nice to see you again. SS26 Super Bloom shipping now. I'm here to give you a few of my favorite picks. This is the quick rundown. I want to talk to you about French Terry for a minute. It's a fabric that I was actually really nervous about. The product team forced it on me, and over time I grew to love it. Now it's one of my daily hitters. I'm just running it every day. It's amazing. In the spring right now, we talk about transition a lot, right? Like transitioning from the colder months into these warmer months. It's this crispy in the air. It's still really cold in a lot of places, but it warms up during the day. We think French Terry is the winning transitional fabric. Let me tell you why. So this is it's a nice mid-weight French Terry. While it doesn't feel like a heavyweight hotel towel, it does have that nice drape to it. This is the Easy Rider pant. It's incredible. It feels like, you know, it's 5 buttons, hidden placket there so it looks like a zip. You got drawstrings on there. You feel like you're in your pajamas when you're walking around in the airport or you're going to work or whatever it is. You got the sketchbook pockets in there. Nice finishing in the elasticated waistband. I can't say enough about this thing. You got the asymmetrical back pocket, ode to the magic carpet, which we still shape, and then the little asymmetrical coin pocket as well. This thing's cut at almost 28 inches is what it's cropped at, so it's going to hit right above the ankle. It's kind of a nice little flow there, slight taper on it. She's a beauty. She's a beauty, Clark. Of course, a scribble for authenticity, gotta have it. But what I'm loving about the French Terry is the ease, man. You put this thing on and you just feel comfortable. Your shoulders just drop. See all that binding on the interior, it's totally finished. This is like the transition piece of the season. Let me throw this on for you just to give you an idea of how she fits and functions. Comfortable, easy to wear, so simple. Take it anywhere, transition through spring. Nice to see you. French Terry at the doorstep.